So literally a quick video on this stir fry that I've done. I've sent you photographs, but I prepped the veg, softened the veg, and then added the chicken and the sausage, which are shown in the photographs. The couscous, you just opened up the packet. It should just be about ready now. Boiling water until it just covers the top. Here we go. There we go, see it. And that's just absorbed all the water now, and that's ready to go. 5 minutes, empty the packet into there, boiling water. This one's aromatic Chinese spice, so that's got chilies and spring onions and everything in. So that's ready to go. What I'll do now is with that is I'll get that up to my serving tray and literally just well, where are we? Literally just fluff it up with a fork. There we go. See, just fluff it up with a fork there. Normally, if you were eating this on your own, I would pop in a wee bit of olive oil, just to give it a bit of juice. But the fact is, the Chinese stir fries has got to go in. It's just about done in the oven now. So that's leaving that. That's ready. Here we are. I'm going to just take the oven off the rack. Now we'll stop it. Oven off the rack. Into the bloody holder. There we are. Into the holder. And there's your stir fry, nice and warm, ready to go. I'm just going to take it out the holder. I'll take the ring off and get the pan here. And literally, there we go. That's it, nice and hot. So all I'm just going to do is scrape it into the bowl now, which I shall do forthwith. Phone down here, put that up against the glass. There we are. Just got to serve it into the bowl now. We just get these in my proper hands. That's looking all right. So what I just normally do is just put the stir fry into the bowl like so, and just rack it up a bit, make a bit of space. Now that's nice and juicy. We've got all the sauce there. I'm just going to let some of the sauce run into the base, like so. That's the timer just went off. And then get the fork. Just take your bowl of couscous and just pop it into the other corner. The majority out, like so. And just pattering it up nicely. Smooth it over the top. Just get the excess off there like that. That's that done. Just keep that in the bowl and just get a wee, just to make it nice, looking for presentation purposes. This is what we've got here, and just as an added extra at the end, we shall bit of spring onion, Bit of spring onion just over the top. Bit of garnish. And there we have it. Bit of a nice sweet and sour chicken stir fry done in the halogen oven.